Guys, I found my second lawnmower on the side of a curb just like an hour ago. I just came back from the store. I know I don't record these parts, but new spark plug because weren't gonna be able to start it up without that. Had to prime it quite a few times because this thing probably hasn't started up in so long. Had to put more gas in it. That was almost dry. And it is a 3 horsepower, 20-inch Montgomery Ward. And if I am correct, I didn't look anywhere else, but looking on the sticker on there, says confirms to AN81 B71.1 1984 safety standards. So I'm guessing this is from 84 or somewhere in the 80s, just by looking at how it looks and that sticker. So yeah, this one I'm gonna sell, not keeping this one. And I'm gonna see if we can pick up any more in the next month or so to get a little more money off these. But this is a look over of what it looks like. Little rusty because this thing was acting like it didn't start up in like forever. Engine's kinda nasty, but yeah. Blew it off. It was full of leaves and a bunch of dirt. And I will show you a video of it starting up.